Welcome to Crystal Clear Chemistry channel. In order to crack either JEE mains or NEET exams, let's strengthen our basics of chemistry through this channel. And in this video, I am going to discuss the part 4 of nomenclature and isomerism, which is very important concept to name the compound. IUPAC name of a particular organic compound. If you really like the video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, without any delay, let's get into the topic now. The compounds containing one functional group. In the last video, we have already discussed about the compounds, especially the saturated branched chain alkanes and unsaturated compounds. Here I am going to discuss the rules for naming the aliphatic compounds with functional group. And we have discussed already the suffixes of different functional groups, right? Now, it is very important to note that whatever the rules we discussed for the branched saturated hydrocarbons and all, they can be violated while giving the names with the functional groups because the functional group prioritize first. Let us see what exactly it is. For example, if we consider this particular compound, in this compound, by looking at the compound, we can say that this is the longest chain with 7 carbon atoms, the straight chain or horizontal continuous chain. But if we consider this particular OH as it is the functional group, it must be included in the parent chain, and hence in this compound the parent chain is this one with the 5 carbon atoms. Hence the root word is 5. And on the second carbon atom there is a ethyl group and hence 2 ethyl. As there are single bonds, the primary suffix is an, and if we consider the OH, the suffix for the OH is OL. As it is on the first carbon, you can see clearly it is 1 vol. So the name of this compound is 2 ethyl pentane 1 vol. And the conclusion here is the longest chain contains 6 carbon atoms, but this does not include the functional group. If we consider in this way, it's not 7, it is 6 in the horizontal direction. But we take only 5 because the long chain must include OH, and hence named it as 2 ethyl pentane 1 vol. Okay, now numbering of the parent chain. Functional group must get the lowest number is the rule. Though we are violating the lowest sum rule or longest chain rule or whatever it may be, functional group prioritize first. It's not about the alphabetical order and all. Wherever the functional group is there, if it is the most possible lowest number, we need to allot for the functional group carbon. That means the carbon with the functional group. Okay, so here from left to right it is wrong because the OH carbon, the carbon with OH getting the 6, here the carbon with OH is getting the 1, hence the numbering is right from right to left. And the compound name here, 6 carbon atoms are there, hex, single bonds are there in, and on the third carbon there is an ethyl group and hence it is called a 3-ethyl hexane 1 vol. Now, if we consider these two carbon compounds where the OH is very near from right end, far away from the left end, hence the numbering from right to left is correct, though we are violating the lowest sum rule here. And moreover, the compounds with the functional group with the carbon atom, that is what the chain terminating groups such as CHO, COOH, COOR, CONH2 and CN must be assigned the number 1. Whereas the compounds like the groups like CONH2OH need not to apply this particular non-terminal groups this rule, we may or we may not be assigned, but the terminating functional groups like COOH must get the number 1. And here we, while writing the COOH suffix as oic acid, we need to drop this E and followed by the secondary suffix beginning with AIOU or Y, and then secondary suffix representing the functional group is added. Okay, you can clearly see here. And here, as there is a second, as CO is the second carbon, here from right to left we write 2 one, and it must be included, and hence hexane 2 one is the name of this particular compound. Try to write the name of this compound. We have already checked, right? The CO is the functional group, alkyl OH is the suffix and all. So try to write the name of this compound and mention it in the comment. I will definitely respond to it. Okay. This is the example 2, and here we go for the next topic, the examples of compounds containing different functional groups with the common names. See, this is the best table I can say for the common names. Even the common names also can be systematically studied or remembered. These are all self-learning tables. Definitely, this is the one of the rarest table I have seen so far. Definitely helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can get many updates and crystal clear concepts in this channel. Okay. Now, see what this table is exactly all about. Even in the common names, if number of carbon atoms are 1, we can give the prefix form. For 2 carbon atoms, we can give prefix acid. And for 3 carbon atoms, it is propione. With different functional groups like this, we can see formamide, acetamide, acetyl chloride, acetic acid, propionaldehyde, propionic acid and all. Even in the advanced level also, in order to make the question difficult, sometimes they will give the common names more than that of IUPAC names. Hence one should have a clear idea about the common names also. And here I am going to provide the 3 tables in which you can see the most of the common names in a systematic manner. So definitely these tables are very helpful. Share to your friends also. Okay, take the screenshot and share to your friends. Okay, right. So this is the first table. Take the screenshot of it. Okay, now, right. This is also a table, and here we go. These are all the self-learning tables. Okay, self-learning tables. All these are self-learning tables. Take a screenshot of it. So this is all about the IUPAC nomenclature of compounds with one functional group and the common names. Check the videos and the playlist for more IUPAC rules. Okay. Thank you.